Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Chrome sign in easy method. Click the profile icon, select Add or Sign In, enter your Google account email and password, and accept the sync prompt to keep bookmarks and passwords together. If you use two-step verification, follow the code prompt on your phone. I'll show quick settings to control what syncs so you stay organized and secure while using Chrome. Open Chrome, click the profile avatar, and pick Add or Sign In to create a profile tied to your Google account. Type your email and password, then confirm any two-step verification codes sent to your device. When prompted, toggle Sync On or customize the sync options to include passwords, bookmarks, history, and extensions. This keeps your browsing consistent on phones, tablets, and computers without manual transfers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick guides. Quick recommendation. I've been using these leak-proof meal prep containers to save time and avoid spills, and they pair nicely with the routine of signing in across devices when you meal plan on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you hit issues signing in, first check your internet and retry your password carefully, including capitalization. Clear cookies or restart Chrome if prompts freeze, and temporarily disable extensions that might interfere. For two-step codes, ensure your device clock is accurate and try resending codes when needed. If problems persist, sign out of other devices or use a new browser profile to isolate the issue and restore normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.